Hi guys, welcome back. Today what we have is I went to HEB after work and then I got some stuffed mushrooms with cheese and then went ahead and did a basil cream sauce topped with tomatoes, basil, and of course fresh Parmesan cheese. Then over here, my version of jalapeno garlic tilapia. It has no pasta, it's on a bed of spinach and of course caramelized lemon wheels and lemon halves, and of course with cherry tomatoes, jalapeños, fresh garlic, and roasted red bell peppers. Am I missing something? Oh yeah, I think that's it. So let's dig in. Also, first bite goes to you. These came in today. I was so happy, so that way it won't hurt your ears, because when I was listening to the other one with the pasta, it really messed it up. It was like ding, cling, cling, cling. So first bite goes to you. It's dripping. Mm-hmm. That was so good. This reminds me of Johnny Carino's. Of course, their food is phenomenal, delicious as well. I'm actually hungry. Did I say that on my videos? So this whole quarantine thing, I'm sorry I have to talk about it again. All of my Amazon orders go to my mom's house. I have not seen her since March 14th. Haven't seen any of my family members. Like, I can see them, but like I haven't spent time with them. I haven't had that emotional, physical connection, like a hug, anything of the sort. So I asked her if she can leave it at the door, put it in the mail, because these came in. So she said she was gonna leave it at the door. So then I got there, and at the same time she's opening the door, I was like, I so wanted to give my mom a hug, but I'm just too scared. I know that she doesn't have anything, but I go to work and I don't know who goes anywhere. I was talking about this with Steven, my office mate. We don't know where anybody goes after work. We don't know if they go somewhere else. We don't know if they go to a party or anything. Not saying that they do, but you just don't know, and I don't want to take that chance. So I really felt bad. She's like, it's so happy, it's so nice to see you. I was like, hi Mom, and that's about it. But I couldn't. I guess my biggest fear is like, I don't want to be blamed for anything. Even with my nephews and nieces, deep down inside, I know they don't know about my status, but I feel like I can't tell them. The parents have to tell them, but at the same time, I don't want to be blamed. And I know people who come out as gay, bi, transgender, non-binary, all these other ones, they were born like this. To be honest, they were born. I was born like this. I can't change it. I wish I could, but I can't. You can't convert me. You know how bad I want a kid, a family? I can't. But the point is that I tend to like catch myself not getting too close for the fact that I'm scared that they might, if they do come out by, gay, whatever, that their parents are gonna blame me. I know that they won't, but it's always in the back of my head. I don't know why I got into this topic, but I work with, I can't tell you where I work, but I do work with individuals I mean, I hear stories where people get kicked out because of their sexuality, sexual identity, anything like that, and it's hard to hear and hard to see someone go through that. But wow, this took a turn for the worst. mm. Mm. So I was at work and I was thinking I could bring something up, but I forgot what I was gonna bring up. Oh yeah. So my other video, my Whataburger video that got cut off because of storage, I was talking about dating. I've had some serious dates that were just gone wrong. Then my phone went off. So before I got there, I downloaded Google Photos and I uploaded, I'm halfway there. I have 14,000 videos and photos combined. So I'm uploading them through Google Photos, and hopefully this doesn't cut off within 10 minutes, but where am I going with this? Yeah. Oh yeah, first horrible date. So after 4.5 year relationship, first there was a 5.5 year relationship. After that, 7 years single. Then I got into another relationship, 4.5 years. And now in August, it's gonna be 6 years, again, single. But since I broke up with the second one, I've had some really interesting dates. This is so good. Interesting dates that have just gone. My hairstylist always reminds me of that one that that just went bad. I don't want to talk about it because if I do, y'all are gonna think I'm a jerk. But I'm not a jerk. I don't discriminate. No, if somebody has an ugly heart, I will not. Oh my god. So I don't put cream in this. The jalapeno garlic tilapia, they put cream. I don't. It's literally a tablespoon of butter and a 1/4 cup of white wine. And I've been craving this for a long time. Oh, and it came with a straw, bamboo straw. This is phenomenally good. Super, super good. Maybe I should put the recipe down if you want it. It's all in my head though. This is my recipe. So going to a food memory, on a food memory vault. After the 4.5 year relationship, I went on a breakup diet. Come to find out, it was actually the Mediterranean diet. Unknowingly, I was on it. So basically what the Mediterranean diet is nuts, berries, fruits, if I'm not mistaken, fish, and wine. My family thinks I'm a wino, but I'm a social drinker, so when I'm out and about with family, I will take a bottle of wine. And that's the only time I'm drinking, and I am a lightweight, so whatever. This is super good. So I saw Real Housewives of Beverly Hills last night. As y'all know, I like Erica Jane. And for the first time, this is like the first time that she's maybe the second time that she's actually thanked her husband for the opportunity. Not saying it's a business transaction of their marriage, but you know, when somebody has a child from someone else, back then there wasn't the men, the stepfather wouldn't allow it. That's a different topic. Yeah. Well, I can say it, I guess. I had a stepdad, and he was a complete evil, hateful, spirited and mean-hearted, evil-hearted, individual. Oh well. And that's another thing. And I always catch this. When someone remarries and they say, oh, this is my son. And then they have a stepson. This is my stepson. Off the bat, that is completely wrong. It should always just be, this is my sons. These are my sons. Why do you have to identify that this is my stepson? It's horrible. Sorry, I'm sweating. It's just that this is really spicy. That's jalapeños in it. But yeah, every time my stepdad said that, I just noticed, okay, it's a sign he doesn't love me. And for the crap that he did, I didn't care. But it just always stuck. Always stuck in my head. So ladies, men, if you have a kid and you get remarried or something, if you hear that this is my stepson, stepdaughter, you need to have a conversation with them. Because that's just horrible. Horrible. It can do some damage to somebody. Because the crap that I've gone through, I am so surprised that I am not an alcoholic. I am not a substance user. I'm not a drug. You know what I mean? I didn't go the wrong way. And I had this conversation with my mom like several years ago, and she's like, well, when you were born, I gave you to God. She always has to bring up God. There's nothing wrong with it, but as you get older and you grow older, you start to think about what was said back then, and you start to understand. Yeah. But, yeah. Oh shoot, I'm almost done. Hey, and the phone didn't stop. The video didn't stop. I guess I have some time. Storage now. Yeah. Excuse me. Well, this will be my last bite because I'm already getting full and I have 2 cakes to do for tomorrow morning. And it's going to be a busy day tomorrow. But I wish everyone well, that you all have an amazing Friday coming up. Also, what else? I'm going to tell you something. Like and subscribe, guys. If you want to see more content, just please let me know. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and put it down in the box below, like Carla told me to do. Yeah, subscribe and like. So see you next time, and yeah, hope everything's okay with y'all. Bye.